Good day, Mount Vernon. This is Jack Parker, your superintendent. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We just finished our 9th day of school for the 21-22 school year, and we are so excited to get this year going. We are experiencing record enrollment, and with additional students comes additional responsibilities. Now, a lot of you have been asking about some of our COVID procedures, and we're doing much of what we did last year with those. I want you to know we're guided by two laws that we are required to follow. One of those is students must wear a mask the entire time they're on the bus. There's no question about that. The second thing is schools are required to report COVID positive cases. We are required to conduct contact trace investigations and quarantine students who are close contacts. Now, that is really clear in the communicable disease statute, but also Governor Holcomb made it explicitly clear in his Executive Order 21-19. And we are required to do those things. And if we don't, it's a Class B misdemeanor each day that we do not follow that. So we're working really hard to do that. Now, I also want to let you know that I think Mount Vernon is doing as much, if not more, than any other school I know about to return students early from quarantine if possible. Of course, a quarantine is 14 days, but that can be shortened to 11 days if a student is asymptomatic and they wear a mask days 11 through 14. Again, that's not our rule. We didn't make that up. That is the rules that is non-negotiable from the Indiana Department of Health. Also, Mount Vernon is offering testing. If parents want to bring their children and be present, we can test children on day 8 if they're asymptomatic, and they can return to school on day 8 of a quarantine. Again, they are required to wear a mask days 8 through 14, and that's not our rule. That's the rules of returning early from quarantine. So we're working really hard to do everything we can to bring students back early when they have to leave school because they're a close contact. Additionally, we're working really hard to provide clarity on how we're supporting students when they are going to be at home learning. Our teachers and administrators are working real hard to articulate that now. The plan we had at the start of the school year was good for them, but we certainly didn't understand how the Delta variant was going to impact us. So we're stepping that up, and you're going to see a lot of great information come out in just the next couple of days. Also, I want to let you know we're really proud of our tiered health and safety plan, and basically that's where we can respond with additional mitigation procedures should the absence due to illness in our school buildings start to increase. All of that to protect a building from being closed if the absence due to illness climbs to high levels. And that could be all illness, flu, cold, of course, COVID, and things of that nature. So we're working really hard. You can find all of that information on our website. Additionally, we're working to provide more and more clarity in the coming days about all of our COVID procedures and how we're supporting students when they have to be close contacts. We know that students need in-person learning for them to achieve their highest level of success, and we are doing everything we possibly can to maintain continuous learning in a safe environment for our students and staff. We appreciate your support, and our community is stronger when we're working together. Let's keep putting the unity in community for Mount Vernon. So thank you for all that you do. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. And if you have any questions, just reach out and ask. Have a good day.